How to recover your Facebook account if you no longer have access to your email address or phone number. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook login page and tap Forgot Password. Now, enter your Facebook name, username, or any old email address or phone number that was previously connected to your account. If your account appears, select it and continue. If you don't have access to the listed email or phone number, tap Try Another Way, or choose the option that says you no longer have access to these. Facebook may ask you to provide a new email address where they can contact you. Enter an active email address that you can access. Next, follow the instructions shown on your screen. Facebook may ask you to confirm your identity through available verification methods, such as recognizing account details or submitting additional information. If your account was hacked or you believe someone changed your login details, visit the Facebook account recovery page and follow the security steps to secure your account. Keep in mind that Facebook can only recover accounts if you can prove ownership, so make sure to provide accurate information. And that's it. These are the steps you can try to recover your Facebook account without access to your email or phone number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.